Hi and Assalamualaikum to everyone. My name is Kairunisa binti Ros. I'm from BA 2434E, student number 2019722573. So today I'm going to present about one sample test for mean, one tail test, prepared for Dr. Muhammad Khalil Omar. So what is one-tail test? A one-tail test is a statistical test in which the critical area of distribution is one-sided so that it is greater than or less than a certain value but not both. If the sample being tested falls into the one-sided critical area, the alternative hypothesis will be accepted instead of the null hypothesis. Basic of one-tail test. A basic concept in inferential statistics is hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is run to determine whether a claim is true or not given a population parameter. When the testing is set up to show that the sample mean will be higher or lower than the population mean, it is referred to as one-tail test. Before the one-tail test can be performed, now an alternative hypothesis has to be established. A null hypothesis is a claim that the researcher hopes to reject. An alternative hypothesis is the claim that is supported by rejecting the null hypothesis. So, this is the two examples of one-tail test. CutSoft received call for technical support. In the past, the average response time has been at least 25 minutes. It believes the average response time can be reduced to less than 25 minutes. In the CutSoft example, use alpha 0.05. So this is the two formula that can be used. The Z1 is for population and the T1 is for sample. So we will use the T1. So alpha is 0.05 and is equal total number, so count total number of customers, so click Ctrl Shift down and enter. So then mean is 25, average response time you will use equal average, click average and response time, so time Ctrl Shift down enter. Standard deviation we will use equal STDEV, click and click for time, Ctrl Shift down enter. For square root we will use equal SQRT, click number, click for n, close the bracket. For the t-test value we will use this formula, equal, open bracket, open the bracket, click average response time minus with mean, close the bracket, divide, open the new bracket, choose standard deviation, divide with square root, close the bracket, enter. So we will get the answer. For the critical value, we will use this formula, equal t dot inv, click 1 minus alpha, comma, n minus 1, so close bracket. So we will get the critical value answer. So this shows that the t-test negative 1.05 do not fall in the rejection region, so it fails to reject H nulls. So in conclusion, even though the sample mean of 21.91 is well below 25, we have too much sampling error to conclude that the true population mean is less than 35 minutes. That's all from me. Thank you so much.